and a $40,000 gold fucking watch. You're the greatest.
What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. Alright, this video guys probably gonna be pretty quick. I'm just gonna do a walk around, quick update, how the lawn's looking. I'm gonna do some cleanup as well. Got a lot of weeds that popped up recently. Believe it or not, we actually had quite a bit of rain this past week, and today's finally a little sunny. It's not cloudy or raining, so I decided let me come out here, do a cleanup, quick update, and I'm probably gonna mow this because it's really long. So let's go take a look. Alright guys, so if you guys remember, I reseeded a couple of bare spots around the lawn, and I got some pretty good germination for the most part, but there's a couple areas that I haven't seen germination yet. For example, right here, but most of the areas did get quite a bit of germination. Let's go take a look. For example, this area right here, you can see it's got some germination going on still. There, it's probably about maybe 2, some of them might be 3 inches tall, but the grass around it, it's really tall. It's probably, I mean, I can bury my hand in here, it's probably about 4 or 5 inches to be honest, or more. So over here we had a big spot. This one got covered really good. This area right here, that's the new grass. Right here, right there. Over here we got a good cover. A couple little spots hasn't germinated quite yet, but if anything, I'm probably just gonna throw a couple more seeds, some more seed down later on after this video. But I really want to come out here and do some cleanup. As you can see, I got a bunch of weeds right here, a couple of them up here, not too much, but a lot of them right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the yard today and mow this, and I'm gonna try my best to avoid these little bare spots. All right guys, so let's go ahead and mow it, and then we'll take a look after. Alrighty guys, so I went ahead and mowed this. I actually had to mow it twice because it was so long, because it was roughly, you know, probably 4 to 6 inches, anywhere in between. I didn't get to measure it, but the grass is really tall. So I first went this way at about 3 inches, and then I mowed it this way about 2 inches. And I had to dump that bag like 3 times already. But hey guys, here it is. As you can see where the new grass is at. It's nice. Now it's more covered over here. I'll put a before and after so you guys can see the difference, how it's looking. It's looking nice, and you know the grass is only going to get thicker, and it's going to fill in nicely, so it won't look so patchy back here. Hopefully the other little spots eventually start germination. If not, like I said, if anything, I'll just go ahead and throw some more seed down there, and it should start germinating. But yeah guys, here's like I said, a quick update video. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the day by cleaning up the rest of the yard, getting rid of these weeds, start, you know, edging out this area, and I'll be done for the day. All right guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.